What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currency at 0.05544, down 9% on the day. Market cap 1.6 billion, 24-hour volume 275 million. So I think we're looking at a deep four. We are holding the 50% retracement as of right now. So we have a wave one. Hold on, let me connect this to my, I've been having a little bit of issues with internet connection. Off the bear market low, wave one to the upside, wave two pullback. Just let it load up here. Come on, bro. And now I think we pushed up in the wave three, completed the wave three, pulling back in the wave four. Currently we are holding the 50%, so we could bounce from here. So you can see it better now. Wave one to the upside, wave two pullback. Wow, brutal. Brutal internet right now. And then pushing up in the wave five. If we continue up from here with the fib extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3, if this were to be the bottom of 4, and I would imagine price is going to push up to 0.09162 or 0.10283 in the wave 5, and that would complete this wave count. So that would be your target zone in between 0.09162 and 0.10283 in the wave 5. As we can see here on the weekly, chart, we've come back down to retest this strong level of support. We're about to print the bullish cross over the next few weeks. So it's good to see that pullback. We exploded to the upside, healthy pullback to the support zone before seeing continuation back to the upside, in my opinion. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. My trade signals are completely free. Here's the results from last week. We had 28 wins and 12 losses for a total profit of 1,115%. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC or MEXC. BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on your fees. Or MEXC, they have more trading pairs, but you will need a VPN in North America. Make your first deposit, then send me a quick email, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, trade signals every day, 50x sniper signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, 4x signals, 4x analysis, all completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BTCC or MEXC. Then send me email over. I think we have almost 3,000 members now in the Discord. All links down below in the comments. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.